Tomahawk backpack foggers are versatile tools widely used in agriculture, landscaping, pest control, and other industries. Over time, wear, tear, or corrosion from chemicals may necessitate tank replacement. Today, we will provide you with a step-by-step guide on how to replace the chemical tank on a Tomahawk backpack fogger, ensuring that your equipment continues to operate at its best. First, unscrew the tank lid and disconnect the tube connecting the strainer to the rubber flange. Next, remove that flange from the blower housing and then unscrew it from the base of the tank. Then, unscrew the hose from the other side of the tank. Once the tank is disconnected, place the fogger on the ground. You will need additional leverage to remove the tank. Step on the base of the fogger to keep it in place, and pull up on the left side of the tank. You will need to pull pretty forcefully to remove it. Place the new tank inside the support cage and press down on the left side of the tank to secure it in place. Finally, reconnect the turbo hose, flange, and strainer to reassemble your backpack fogger.